Another nice day. I'm leaving Coralville, or Iowa City. Gonna meander my way through the city and then trying to make it to Davenport today, which is right on the border of Illinois and Iowa. So I'll be on the Iowa side and then I'll cross the Mississippi River tomorrow to start off Illinois. So it's planned for today. Hopefully the wind is with us. It does look like there is some wind, so let's hope. Literally just started the day and tire's not flat, but it's like way softer than my front one, so I'm guessing I have a slow leak. Hopefully if I fill it up it'll last a day and I can change it tonight, or might just lost some air, so I'll see. Pump her up and then we'll take her from there. Iowa Hawkeyes, University here. Div 1 football. Baseball stadium's back that way. Pretty cool campus. You've gotta be kidding me, man. Oh, more gravel. This is brutal. That was just absolute chaos. Got into the construction site. They have the whole road torn apart. They're rerouting a creek. So I'm here just meandering my bike through their construction site. Oh, I had to thread the needle on that little board. That was just sketchy. All these guys are looking at me like I'm a lunatic. Another swanky joint. Made it to Davenport, Iowa. So right now we're right on the border of Illinois and Iowa. And that is separated by this bad boy right here. The Mississippi River. Good old Mississippi River. So we'll be entering into Illinois tomorrow. Today was supposed to be like 125-ish, but at this one point I was supposed to take this other road and I got on that highway that there was like no shoulder, but it saved me a bunch of time. But man, you gotta laugh when you're going. It's just like, that just takes years off your life, just adds gray hair to your head, and that's for sure. It's just like 1 foot to your left, you just see this truck you can touch with your hand, and that thing won't just kill you, that will absolutely cream your corn. So but we made it. Pretty good day, over 100. Yeah, tomorrow's Illinois, so stay tuned. I'll see you then. Keep her not so bad. Boy, no.